If you're very busy the whole day and don't have time to exercise, or you need to specially go out somewhere to exercise, I've got the perfect shortcut for you. You can do it laying in bed just few minutes before you go to bed. This is the perfect belly fat exercises I bring to you. Do it just a few minutes before you go to bed. This will not just target your frontal belly but also your side belly, your lower belly, your upper belly fat. Overall belly fat will be targeted with these very simple and easy exercises which you can do just a few minutes before you go to bed. If it's easy, will it be effective? That's the only question I know you're thinking about. Yes, of course, easy and effective. That's what my job is, to bring to you easy exercises which are super effective to give you the best results. So this is the shortcut which I bring to you. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin the super easy and effective exercises to get rid of your belly fat. So let's begin with the warm-up for our easy bed exercises to lose your belly fat. You have to sit like this, cross-legged. Then you have to take your hands all the way forward like this. Just slide them on the bed sheet. Then take it sideways. This is so easy. Let's do it together. Now let's target the side belly. For that you have to put your hands like this. This again is part of the warm-up. Done. Now the next exercise is a very simple exercise for which you have to lay in bed. Just grab a cushion from your bed, put it under your knees like this and try to lock your knees this way. Now bring it up and down like this. Let's do it together. The second exercise, we're going to move our hand and feet in a coordinated movement, which is going to be diagonal like this and then like this. But we're going to lift our legs and not put it on the bed. Let's do it together. exercise is a very simple exercise to target your lower belly and your side belly fat. You have to fold your legs. Then you have to bend your knees both ways like this. This is going to target not just your lower belly, but also your side belly fat. Let's do it together. Well done. The next exercise is a super easy and effective move. Trust me, you're sure gonna lose the central belly and the side belly with this single move as it is. This is what you have to do. Take your hands up like this. Lift your legs. Then come down in the X position. Let's do it together. Well done. The last exercise is a super easy and simple, very effective lower belly fat exercises which will also help you achieve slimmer legs. You have to lay like this, lift your legs up, then flap them like this. Let's do it together. As you can see, I'm already sweating with these exercises because this area, actually, these are the core exercises. If your core is strong, then your metabolism is good and you're sure to burn your belly fat and your full body fat. But always keep one thing in mind. These exercises you cannot do right after your dinner. You have to maintain a gap of 1 to 2 hours. Now, the next tip I have to give you is a very important one. To be able to follow a healthy lifestyle, you have to eat healthy. But if you wish to join a paid weight loss program, you can do so by clicking on the link given below in the description to join my weight loss program, where I will be giving you a customized diet plan according to your needs, your likes, your dislikes, and your daily routine, which you can easily follow and transform yourself. Yes, it is doable. It is that easy. So I'll see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.